Today we'll be setting up this animation, a simple spline follow with drifting animation. This video will be using the presets found in the templates pack instead of setting up the vehicle from scratch. That will be done in another video. Open up the basic car template. To change the body and wheels, you can simply drop in your meshes in the static mesh slot. The point rays should be aligned with the outer wheel set for the best performance. The suspension component, visualized in blue, must be set to 0 along the Z-axis. You can also change or remove the brake caliper meshes. The main vehicle properties are found in the R.K.V.A category of the blueprint settings. You can hover over any property to trigger the tooltip that contains the description of how that property works. Drag in the spline blueprint to the scene. Drag it out to extend it. Press G if the spline is hidden. Click Update Mesh to show it in the viewport. To create a point, select the point and press Alt+D. Now repeat this process until you have your desired path. Select the vehicle and add the spline. To store the animation data, we need to create a level sequence. Once created, it must be added to a level sequence actor that is placed in the level. Add the vehicle to the sequence and click Track. This is where the most common animation properties will be, but for now, we're going to be using current distance and K-drift angle. Now, keyframe a start and end point. Make the car drift by playing with the K-drift keyframes. Now let's add a camera. Place a cinematic camera actor. Now add the actor to the sequencer. Click the top left to unpilot the camera. Now click Track and attach the camera to the vehicle. In the outliner, right-click and pilot the camera to position it. Make sure the spline is hidden in-game. If that's all you want, then all you gotta do is click Render. This is where you can select your resolution. Now, let's say you want something more interesting, like the preview. All you gotta do is add another camera and make sure it has the Look at Tracking enabled and select the vehicle as the actor to track. Then, play around with the focus distance and the transform keyframes and make sure to add the new camera as a camera cut.